Hi everyone. Welcome to the Hybris e-learning videos. In this video we will learn about Hybris Basic Introduction. This video is made by a group of experienced Hybris developers and the videos are based on their expertise. We are a group of creative minds focused to exceed customers' expectations. We are technology partners who help our customers. In this video we will learn what is Hybris and why the corporate world is using Hybris as a power tool for e-commerce solutions. In this video we will go through some contents like 1. What is Hybris? In this we will learn what is SAP Hybris in detail. 2. Hybris invention. We will know about the history of SAP Hybris. 3. Why Hybris? Why corporates select Hybris compared to many powerful tools. 4. What are the key features of Hybris? 5. Where is Hybris used in real projects with example? 6. At last get starting with Hybris. Let's start with what is Hybris. Hybris is an e-commerce product platform that is used to address a family of products involving customer experience and management. It is a group of products to provide end-to-end customer engagement experience. E-commerce. SAP Hybris is principally used to create e-commerce applications for enterprise-level companies. It can be B2B, for example, Salesforce, Hootsuite, Alibaba, etc. Or B2C platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. Language. Hybris is written mainly in Java with some JavaScript used for the front end. Customize. Single product for all e-commerce platform for company. Highly scalable and customizable with numerous features available. We can customize as per the requirements. SAP Hybris. SAP Hybris was founded in 1997. Hybris is a German company that sells enterprise omnichannel and product content management or PCM system softwares. SAP SE acquired Hybris on August 1, 2013 for $1.5 billion. In 2018, Hybris was integrated into the SAP Customer Experience division. Founders of Hybris are Karsten Thoma, Maritz Zimmermann, Klaas Hermans, Christian Flackes, Andreas Buxteeg and many more. Headquarters of SAP Hybris is present in United States, Germany, Canada, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Austria, Poland, Italy, France, Australia, Sweden, Brazil, Japan. Let's learn why Hybris. Hybris technology offers 6 key benefits for e-commerce project development. 1. One platform for B2B and B2C. It saves the time and cost of the development of an application. 2. Supporting business internationalization. It provides the business to large enterprises and medium businesses to meet their needs with rich features. 3. Flexibility. The solution is flexible and adaptable, and it can be customized to meet the demands of various business. 4. Short time to market. We can use ready module in our application without spending much time developing from scratch. 5. Stable and efficient technology. SAP Hybris is chosen as the most efficient solution for e-commerce project development by many world-known brands. 6. Highly effective cockpits. Allows users to structure and organize product, integration with payment and flexible back-office administration cockpit. Key features. SAP Hybris provide an extensive range of features like 1. Product content management. A product content management or PCM system is used for the creation, categorization, organization, publication, and programming of any kind of information regarding the products. This solution ensures an adequate workflow, all the way from manufacturing and logistics to the sale of a product. In addition to images, videos, and languages, a PCM can organize and manage attributes related to a product. Provider information, stock and warehouse information, logos, and even any associated marketing material. All of this in a single place, with the purpose of ensuring a perfect multi-channel experience. 2. Catalog management. Having a content management system for your website allows you to have control of your content. It means having the ability to update, change, or delete any images, text, video, or audio. It allows you to keep your site organized, up to date, and looking great. So many websites never review their content after launch. I am sure you have come across websites with old information. Isn't it frustrating? As the internet grows, so does the need for content management systems. Having a CMS is not only great for your customers, but it is also great for your search engine optimization. 3. Optimized price simulation. Price optimization models are mathematical programs that calculate how demand varies at different price levels and then combine the data with information on costs and inventory levels to recommend prices that will improve profits. The modeling allows companies to use pricing as a powerful profit lever, which often is underdeveloped. Price optimization models can be used to tailor pricing for customer segments by simulating how targeted customers will respond to price changes with data-driven scenarios. Given the complexity of pricing thousands of items in highly dynamic market conditions, modeling results and insights helps to forecast demand, develop pricing and promotion strategies, control inventory levels, and improve customer satisfaction. 4. Multi-channel commerce. Multi-channel commerce provides multiple ways for businesses to interact directly and indirectly with customers. A channel is a chain of businesses or intermediaries through which a good or service passes until it reaches the end consumer. It can include wholesalers, retailers, distributors, and even the internet itself. There are different types of channels in retailing. Some of them are as follows: single channel, multi-channel, cross-channel, and omni-channel. 1. Single channel. Single channel marketing strategies focus your business on a single means of reaching customers. 2. Multi-channel. A multiple channel strategy takes advantage of more than one channel to optimize extending of services to consumers. Here, choices of marketing channels might include a retail sales force, online commerce, or a business-to-business partnership. Every channel may have its own strategy and will be managed separately. Multi-channel is evolved based on the assumption that customers have their preferred ways of interacting with a company. But still, some of them was feeling the convenient way of shopping in physical stores, while others appreciate the convenience of making an online purchase in a comfortable way. 3. Cross-channel. A cross-channel customer is the type of customer who quickly navigates through various different channels to complete the same purchase. Let us consider a general example. A customer may receive a newsletter regarding a specific product and decided to know more information on a website. But finally, customer purchases the same product in the physical store. 4. Omnichannel. Omnichannel revolves around developing a holistic view of the customer experience, regardless of the channel. The integration of channels works together to provide a positive brand experience. Nowadays, most of the companies are using this way of approach to engaging multiple channels to interact with their customers through consistent and seamlessly integrated advertisements. Hybris is one of the omni-channel commerce software that seamlessly integrates all selling channels and solutions into a single platform. It helps you provide consistent, meaningful experiences to your customers at every touch point and on every device. The next key feature of Hybris is omni-channel B2B. B2B means business to business. The omni-channel imperative for B2B brands operating today means that manufacturers, distributors, and wholesalers need to optimize all their sales channels to reach, engage, and satisfy the omni-channel customer. It means making goods and services available to customers on their preferred sales channels to provide a customer-centric experience. To put it another way, B2B brands need to meet customers where they are. 6. Omnichannel B2C. B2C means business to customers. It refers to the process of selling products and services directly between a business and consumers who are the end users of its products or services. Most companies that sell directly to consumers can be referred to as B2C companies. 7. Built-in SEO optimization tools. SAP Hybris provides product for e-commerce, marketing, sales, and service. Revenue and cross-functional solutions, and they are designed to help organizations to create valuable interactions with their customers and support for different industry types. Hybris includes product portfolio for the following capabilities: products for commerce, products for marketing, products for sales, products for service, products for billing, cross-functional solution. 8. Sales performance management. SAP Hybris Sales enables businesses to meet the demands of the customers. SAP Hybris Sales achieves this by using its inbuilt advanced CRM solutions that set the sales team free. And we have some more key features we will learn in detail in our upcoming learning videos. Companies used SAP Hybris. SAP Hybris is most often used by companies with 50 to 200 employees and $1 million to $10 million revenue. SAP Hybris's customer list is impressive and includes like Samsung, Nike, Adidas, Levi Strauss, etc. Prerequisites to learn Hybris. The language, that is Java. Experience in Java and Java Spring is required to become an SAP Hybris developer. Steps follow to learn and to practice SAP Hybris to become a SAP professional. Step 1. We have to understand some basic topics like accelerators, models, MVC converter, and populators, etc. Step 2. Installing the Hybris software. Step 3. We will learn about extensions. Step 4. We will learn about annotations and beans or pojos, etc. Step 5. We will start building APIs and learn about impacts. Step 6. We will understand about HAC Hybris Administrator Console. Step 7. We will understand of back office. Step 8. We will learn how to test our APIs by using some tools like Swagger, etc. In our upcoming video, we will learn some practical things. Thank you guys for watching our Hybris Learning Basic Introduction. If you guys like means, please like, share and subscribe. We will catch you guys in next videos. Bye bye.